According to the tablet, these animals are ready for the next phase.
The tracking data confirms it. The factory is expecting the shipment by tomorrow.
From the serene pastures you see here, we are revolutionizing the process. Welcome to the future of protein production.
We've gone from the pasture to the processing line. This facility allows us to standardize and optimize every single step of the supply chain.
Our advanced logistics ensure the smooth and humane transport of the animals from the docks to the processing center.
The pH levels are stable, but the pressure gauge is fluctuating.
Let me see. We should reduce the steam input slightly.
Check the pH levels in vat number 2.
It's within the parameters, but let's monitor the agitation speed.
We need to maintain the pH level precisely at 8.2 here.
Confirmed. The automated system is holding steady.
Initiate the cycle here, then the system automatically adjusts the temperature based on the hide thickness shown on the main display.
As you can see on the panel, the drums are set for the delimbing process. We expect the next batch to be ready within the hour.
Scan complete on batch 4R. We have a minor defect at this point.
Confirmed. Data uploaded.
We are maintaining temperature at 35 degrees.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with the automated wash.
Keep an eye on the moisture levels here. The next batch is coming through faster.
Look at the throughput on line 3. We are exceeding the target by 15%.
Yes, the calibration seems stable now. Let's maintain this speed.
Keep it steady. Almost there.
A little to the left, easy now, align it with the rails.
The gantry robots utilize advanced laser grids to scan the hides, identifying imperfections with millimeter precision before marking them for processing.
We need to adjust the alignment here before it cuts the next batch. Okay, I see the calibration point now.
As you can see, the ostrich leather has a unique texture and the gold clasp is hand finished.
It's absolutely stunning. The craftsmanship is exquisite.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right down there and join the community. See you next time.